What's up, guys? So it's a late night here, Friday night, spending it all working and just basically programming in my bedroom. And I just wanted to share one ChatGPT prompt that I think is possibly one of the best ChatGPT prompts I've ever had. It only really works if you use ChatGPT a lot. The more you talk to ChatGPT, the better this prompt will work for you. But I really wanted to share it with you guys. So I'll just make this a nice and quick video so I can keep it in the flow of things. But let's get into the prompt here. So I basically just typed out, or actually used vocal, and I said, based on all the information you have about me, my goals, my personality traits, my habits, what pieces of advice would you give me in order to take my life to the next level? What things do you think are holding me back? What changes do you think I need to make? And overall, what pieces of advice would you give me? And it says, this is a powerful question. I've got a lot of thoughts for you because you've shared a lot. Like I said, the more you share with ChatGPT, the better this prompt will work for you. So it broke it down in a couple of sections here. And I'm not going to say it roasted me, but it definitely used a lot of the information that I've given it and basically gave a pretty clear synopsis of what the issues are. Inconsistent execution. It did praise me a little bit, saying that I'm a highly strategic thinker with a lot of self-awareness. I'll take that. But yeah, sticking with a project for 6 to 12 months has been my Achilles heel. I have time, freedom, skills, but inconsistency creates stagnation. So yeah, that's a little bit of a roast. It did say that I stop at 60 to 80%. I think that's pretty accurate, actually. Fear of underperformance, a little bit of imposter syndrome. It is something I've experienced. And this creates hesitation to go all in. Again, something I've experienced. And then it says that my pattern is I know the goals, I know the first 3 to 6 steps, but taking those bold, uncomfortable actions like launching, selling, pushing often get delayed or half done. And, it just keeps on going on with ambiguous focus, saying that I'm kind of jumping between ideas. And then it actually gives me a more actionable changes section of what changes I should make, such as choosing a business idea, how I can implement that in terms of tactics, creating like a focus filter. So one thing that I should filter all the things through in my life. And then advice to level up even gives me ideas like social accountability, weekly progress recaps, making my life more frictionless. And yeah, overall, amazing prompt, and it's probably the best prompt I've ever come up with, despite how simple it is, just because of the amount of value is in here. A couple of years ago, you'd have to pay a coach to help come up with like a format of how you can change your life like that, or you'd be reading books and doing some deep introspection, or, either way, you can talk to a therapist, for example, but the reality is that you're going to spend hours and hours and hours even getting them up to speed on who you are. And if you're using ChatGPT as much as I am, which let's be real, you might not be. I use it a lot. But if you're using ChatGPT a lot, it's already going to know all of that stuff about you. And so it's already going to have a pretty good idea of what your shortcomings are and, how you can basically overcome those. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to get back to work, but this has been day number 6 of building a $10,000 a month online business in public. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, make sure to hit the like, the thumbs up button, subscribe, and drop a comment below of what ChatGPT used to roast you. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.